Have you ever opened an Excel file and thought, what is the actual version? Or noticed that numbers don't add up anymore? Maybe a formula broke, maybe someone overwrote your data. If that sounds familiar to you, you're not bad at Excel. You've simply outgrown it. I'll show you 7 clear reasons why switching from Excel to SharePoint is one of the smartest moves you can make. Let's be clear, Excel is great. It's familiar, it's quick. And for small data sets or personal work, it's the perfect starting point. But the moment your data grows, your processes become critical, or more people need access to it, Excel starts showing serious limits. And that's where SharePoint comes in. So let's have a look at the 7 reasons to choose SharePoint. First one, Excel was never built to scale. Once your data grows, you notice files take longer to open. Finding the right information becomes harder. You hit limits with rows, formulas, and structure. The spreadsheet gets messier, slower, and harder to trust. SharePoint is different. It's designed to grow with your business. Whether you're managing 100 or 100,000 records, the performance always stays the same. And once your processes get more complex, you're not stuck. You can connect automation tools such as Scalable Studio or Power Automate to SharePoint. Next point. Think about how much time you waste with Excel. Sending update emails, creating reports, copying data. Every manual task means more time, more errors, more frustration. In SharePoint, you have the chance to automate all of this, as I just mentioned. Just use Scalable Studio or Power Automate to not just only digitally map your processes, but to automate them. With Scalable Action Builder, for example, you can build automations like a form is submitted, records get created, you get notified via Microsoft Teams. A project is overdue, you get an email reminder. A new task is created, it appears in your Microsoft Planner. A record is updated, it's versioned automatically. All data is completed, a PDF report is created. So no deadlines forgotten, no tasks falling through the cracks. Automation doesn't just save time, it creates reliability for your processes. Reason 3 is all about data quality. The problem, Excel is very open. Every user can insert everything everywhere. That can lead to typos, outdated data, missing data, or wrong formats. And to find such errors, it can take a long time. In SharePoint, you can guide users while entering data in a custom form. You can use drop-downs instead of free text. You can create validation rules and error messages. You can use date pickers and checkboxes. You can use step-by-step forms. The result is clear, consistent, and usable data right from the start, and a form that is simple and user-friendly and doesn't overwhelm your users. Next one is security. Managing permissions in Excel is very simple, but also extremely dangerous. If someone has access to the Excel file, they usually have access to all contents. SharePoint gives you real security. Read or write permissions by role. Restricted access to lists, folders, or even fields. Full tracking of who changed what and when. And the best part, you don't have to invent your own security. It's already there, up to date, and reliable. SharePoint uses Microsoft Exchange groups, which already exist in your company. All you have to do is set the permissions. It's super easy and straightforward. Try opening a complex Excel file on your phone. Not great, right? Confusing, lots of zooming, endless scrolling. SharePoint is always responsive. This means your business solution runs automatically on different devices and adapts to them. Whether your team works remotely, travels frequently, or operates on construction sites, in stores, or with customers, everyone works with the same live data. And another major advantage of SharePoint, it integrates directly into Microsoft Teams. So your end users can use your business solution in Microsoft Teams where they already work on a daily basis. Reason 6, money, money, money. At first glance, Excel seems cheaper. It's already included in Microsoft 365. Everyone can use it. Everyone knows it. It has become established. Creating a SharePoint solution requires an initial investment. But Excel creates hidden costs. Wasted time fixing errors, broken spreadsheets that need developers, wrong reports, damaged trusts, rework due to outdated files. With a SharePoint solution, you invest once and save continuously money through smart automation, less wasted time, fewer mistakes, and clear workflows. It's not about cost today. It's about cost over time. Last but not least, I want to talk about real-time collaboration. This is a huge difference. SharePoint is made for teamwork. Multiple users can work on the same data at the same time. Versions are saved automatically and you can revert to a previous one. SharePoint tracks what changes are made and who made them. No duplicates can be saved. Users can make comments. They are placed exactly where they have questions or want to start a discussion. Users aren't confused. You don't have outdated information, and the data is available to your whole team in a consistent and reliable manner. Excel helped you get started. But if your spreadsheet now feels more like a burden than a tool, it's time to level up. SharePoint is more than a data storage. It's the perfect platform to build real business solutions. If that sounds good, get in touch with us. We're happy to have a look at your Excel solution and show you how you can bring that into SharePoint. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to learn more about how to build smart SharePoint solutions.